AI Automation Funnel. How smart businesses scale. A lot more businesses are now using AI systems that can help generate leads and sales automatically, even while the business owner is sleeping. That may sound crazy, but this is exactly why AI automation funnels are becoming so popular. Businesses are now using automation and combining AI tools, chatbots, email marketing, and sales funnels to create systems that work 24 hours a day. And to be honest, most beginners have no idea how these systems actually work. So in this video, I'm going to explain AI automation funnels in the simplest way possible. No confusing marketing jargon and no complicated tech explanations. Just a simple beginner-friendly guide. Let's get into it. Section 1. The funnel. First of all, what is a funnel? A funnel is simply a step-by-step system that moves people towards a goal. For example, a stranger sees your content. They click a link. They join your email list. They learn more about your business. And eventually, some people buy something. That process is called a funnel. Section 2. Why it's called a funnel. Here's why it's called a funnel. At the top, lots of people enter. But as people move through the steps, only some continue. So the number gets smaller. Just like a real funnel. That's how businesses turn attention into customers. Section 3. Where AI enters the system. Now here's where things get really interesting. AI is now helping automate many parts of the funnel. For example, AI can help write content, generate ads, answer customer questions, write emails, create landing pages, and follow up automatically. All of this saves businesses huge amounts of time. Section 4. The AI automation funnel step by step. First of all, you need traffic. Traffic means people visiting your content from YouTube, Google, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, or other platforms. No traffic means no business. Step 2. Lead capture. The funnel captures leads. For example, someone enters their email address to download something, watch a training, or learn more. This is where businesses start building relationships. Step 3. AI chatbots. You now use AI chatbots to help answer questions automatically. They can recommend products, guide visitors, answer basic questions, and improve customer experience. Think of chatbots like your digital assistants. Step 4. Email automation. This is where email automation begins. Emails can automatically educate people, build trust, share offers, and follow up. Most businesses love this because the system keeps working automatically. Step 5. Offers and sales. Finally, the funnel presents an offer. This could be a product, a course, affiliate products, a membership, or a service. And if the funnel works well, some visitors become customers. Section 5. The vending machine analogy. Here's the easiest way to understand AI funnels. Think of them like vending machines. You set up the machine first. Then later, the system continues working automatically. Now obviously, funnels still require maintenance and optimization, but automation can massively reduce manual work. Section 6. Why businesses love AI funnels. So why are businesses excited about AI automation funnels? Because they can help save time, scale faster, automate repetitive work, and improve efficiency. One person can now manage systems that used to require multiple workers. That's a huge shift. Section 7. The Big Misunderstanding. But here's something important. Funnels are not magic money machines. That's one of the biggest beginner mistakes. You still need good content, good offers, trust, and real value. AI simply helps businesses move faster and automate parts of the process. Section 8. The Future of AI Automation. We're probably only seeing the beginning of this. AI systems are becoming smarter. Automation is becoming easier, and businesses are adopting these tools rapidly. The businesses learning this early will have a huge advantage in the future. So let's simplify everything. An AI automation funnel works like this. Traffic enters the funnel. The funnel captures leads. AI tools help automate communication. Email systems follow up automatically. Offers are presented and some visitors become customers. That's the system. A few years from now, AI automation may become completely normal in online business. And the people learning these systems early will be far ahead of everyone else because online business is changing fast. If this video helped you finally understand AI automation funnels, hit the like button. Leave a comment below and subscribe for more AI and online business videos. Would you use AI automation in your business? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.